Okay, this is an older Toro. It's a 2-cycle engine with a really big gas tank on it. I have the owner's manual originally for it. It's about 20 years old, this mower, but excellent condition, not used a whole lot. It does have some scratches on it, a little bit of rust, but it's really in excellent shape, starts right up. And here's the primer bulb over here. Okay, prime that a few times. Now, after I get it running, I'm going to show you how to engage the drive, because you pull it all the way like this. You pull it all the way like this, and it's driving. Now, down here, once it's running, you got to look at this. Once it's running, okay, that's in neutral. It's not driving. Now, you got to release the bar a little bit while it's running. You come down here and shift this little gear shift lever. Okay, this is first gear, second gear, third gear, neutral. So I'm going to go ahead and start in neutral, and I'll pull keep the camera on what I'm doing. Okay, pulling the handle. I primed it already. So this, I'm releasing this a little bit so I can put it in gear. Now it's in gear.